myself Kalai working as an assistant professor in the Department of Mechatronics Engineering, SNS College of Technology for past 10 years. So today we are going to discuss about the case study on prosthetic arm. So our students will discuss about this case study with a solution.
Okay, our project is prosthetic hand. What if your next hand was an upgrade, not as a replacement? That is our vision. Key metrics of our project were grip strength and customization were like if you lose only fingers means we can customize like that. If prosthetic arm or wrist loss like that and all. You don't want to ask for help for a single and little things. We can customize it how you want and what a user need and what a budget the user gets.
So as for in speed control, we have used the PWM concept in order to avoid jerks and little deviations in the values. So we used Arduino controllers and ESP32 in order to integrate with sensors to make this a complete product.
As said earlier, we know that losing a hand doesn't stop life, but it definitely changes. Like when you hold a cup, when you pick a child up, you need a hand. For that, this is our problem, and we made a solution. That is our prosthetic arm. We give it in customizable ranges for all, so we can make it customized for each and every person, so they can feel it so comfortable and it can really function, not like a cosmetic hand which doesn't function. We give it in a pricely range so that everyone can afford, and we give 8 degrees of freedom so that every function as a normal hand can do, this prosthetic arm should do. And next we give 12 gesture controls. These 12 gestures we can customize it to ourselves. If you want a high, we'll give a high control. So if you want to give an okay like this, you can have this as a gesture settings in your prosthetic arm. And then we give AI, voice control and PWD and everything we give so that you can feel at ease if your arm is also attached. We use orthopedic values so that it is it doesn't make your shoulders pain. It will give you the most comfortable way. Instead of spending lakhs and lakhs for many prosthetic arms which doesn't function properly, you can have very minimal budgeted arms which really works, and it can be made for your own customization. If you want the material to be a TPU material, like a medical graded material, you can surely have it. If you want like an aluminum body, we'll give that. And if you need titanium body also, we can make it. Everything will be in medical graded so that you don't face any itching, any kind of skin diseases if you use our product.
So the next I will explain about the input part. So for input we have planned to use the sensor called flex sensor. This works on the principle called resistance. So we have planned to place the flex sensor in the toe to get the input. So whenever I flex the flex sensor in my toe for 2 times, it will give us input, and it is received in this hand to grab 1 time. And the next time when I again do the same thing, it will again shows to release the output.
In the traditional prosthetic arm, it will control like we don't need many controls in the traditional hand. We made it like with the controllers like futures used to voice control and the gesture control. Voice control used to give a command like open and close. When we gives the command like open, it will open. When we use it to command like close, it will close. In gesture, we move the hands and the wrist.
Okay. So in this, the students are doing their project work of prosthetic arm. So in this, they are learn more about the prosthetic arm their own. Okay. So in this case, they learn about how the prosthetic arm will work, and then how to design a prosthetic arm, and how the sensor will work for this concept, and all over is covered by the students itself. So in this case study, they are learn a lot of the things by doing this project. Thank you.